7%, keeping to that heathen law. Coming out resisting, carving away from that freedom on. You said I never been up outside the wall. Wondered even you could even find yourself. You were just standing in a place where fallen dreams were all you been given. Carrying by my could have to avoid the fall. Never thought we could be the ones to fight them off. Who fly like a bullet out of silence. Fly like bullets out of silence. We gonna fly like bullets out of silence. What the meaning of your life is a crime in your world. And the figures of authority stand in your road, that road, that road, that road. Just look into your heart and you'll find you would. The weapons of a higher nature, right now. Weapons of a higher nature, right now. So here we are, living in a time, future dreams, fix our past. All for the freedom, time for the people, not for the mighty task. It's us with the violence, but when the islands open, look at us. Keeping the victim right in the bull run, back with the rhyming signs. What about other thing to the people? Black side, no change of a dingle. Smacked out with a backhand KO, crack to the roof, break that one a fatal. Trapped in the prophecy, dark green, I'm a fable. Manifest on mind, enemy keep right like a halo. I see another world outside the wall. It's giving up the fronts, it hide our souls. Like a holy confinement and all its faith on fire in time. See it down, I mean it in a state of war. I know it deep down is what we're fighting for. So let the bullets out of silence. Fly the bullets out of silence. We gonna fly the bullets out of silence. Whoa, oh, oh. What the meaning of your life is a crime in your world. And the figures of authority stand in your road, that road, that road, that road. Just look into your heart and you'll find you would. That the weapons of a higher nature, right now. Weapons of a higher nature, right now. We got a higher nature. We're the ones that live for the higher nature. Now we rise up, now we rise up. We got a higher nature. We're the ones that live for the higher nature. We're the ones that live with a fire in our souls. Now we rise up, now we rise up. But the meaning of your life is a crime in your world. And the figures of authority stand in your road. Just look into your heart and you'll find your words. That a weapon